Hey, this is just a quick video about the Geweo Barefoot shoes you can order at Amazon. They are super cheap, and yeah, as you can see, they look very much like a Chinese knockoff of Leguano shoes. And that's exactly what they are. And still, they feel super good in quality. I cannot notice a big difference between real Leguano shoes and these ones. They look good. They have an actual barefoot sole, unlike some Geweo Barefoot shoes you can also get on Amazon. So it's a real thin sole that gives you a barefoot feeling. Of course, zero drop and everything. As you can see, this is really a very close knockoff of famous barefoot shoe brands. Let's try them on. Okay, here we have our shoes in the actual outside world, in the natural habitat. And they feel great. They feel nice. They feel like proper expensive barefoot shoes. And you can trust me on that because I'm wearing barefoot shoes for around 5 years now. And these don't feel any different to 120 euro ones or 150 euro ones. So yeah, I'm actually surprised because I paid such a little amount of money. But on the other hand, you know where this price comes from. It comes from exploitation of workforce and pollution of the environment. And while this is not okay at all, it's the same as you would buy your typical Nike shoes, Fila shoes, Adidas shoes in the store, or in fact any off-brand or any no-name branded shoe you can buy. So yeah, if you happen to have the money, you should definitely buy original branded ones. Otherwise, these shoes feel great. They will probably last long. They feel good quality materials. So you will definitely be happy with them. And that's the video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope it was helpful. This is the forest where I'm in, and there was somewhere a helicopter, but we don't see it. Yeah, see you in the next video. Goodbye.